Hey farming friends, I am back with another video. It's been a while. It is a beautiful fall day, can't complain. I'm here to talk about a good over-the-counter remedy for pink eye in goats. So we had a bit of a pink eye outbreak here a few weeks ago, and it got me thinking, I'm gonna have to take these guys into the vet, which I didn't end up doing because I was able to get a hold of the vet after finding an over-the-counter alternative that he said was safe. So I wanted to share it with you guys because it would save you a lot of money. So when goats get pink eye, their eyes turn like white and milky and they start to weep. And I had noticed my older girl, she was doing that, and I thought, oh no, she's hurt her eye. I will also insert a photo of what my goat looked like right here. As you can see, her eye had gotten really milky, really red around the socket, and also was weeping quite a bit. It turns out that it was pink eye. And also one of the babies had it too. So it was obvious that she did not hurt her eye. It was affecting more than one goat. So I called the vet after leaving it for a couple of days because he's on call on the weekends, and I noticed it basically just before the weekend. And I wasn't able to get him until the following Monday or Tuesday. But I was doing some research online, and there's a medication for pink eye in dogs and cats called terramycin. Now, terramycin is only available in the United States. I'm in Canada, so that wasn't going to work for me. Anyways, long story short, I had pink eye. I myself had pink eye in a previous video, and I'll link that down below. And I had gotten those polysporin eye drops that are just over the counter that you can get at Shoppers Drug Mart or any drugstore. And I was looking at the ingredients, and the ingredients are polymyxin B, which is the active ingredient. And I looked at the terramycin, and polymyxin B was also in it. So I contacted the vet, as I mentioned, and we talked on Monday, and I asked him, is the polysporin eye drops suitable for the goats? And he was saying no, you'd have to apply those 8 times a day because it's a runny fluid. It will just, it's not going to stick to their eye. It's not going to do anything. In order for you to have it take any real effect, you'd have to put it on like a ridiculous amount of times. But he said that a good alternative is the triple action polysporin ointment, which you can get at any drugstore, grocery store, etc. So he told me, don't get the cream one, but get the ointment one, the one that's like a clear paste, and apply that twice a day. So I did it once in the morning, once in the evening, and after 2 weeks it all cleared up. Like, it was really hard to get it into their eyes. You have to kind of push their eyeball in and then pull the eyelid out and then smear the cream in that scoop of the eyelid. But it did work. Everybody's doing well now, and I didn't have to take him to the vet, and I didn't have to do anything really, so it worked out really well. So if you want to know if it's working, if the eye stops weeping with the ointment application, that's how you know that they are healing, and you should be good to go. Just so you know, pink eye is transmitted by flies, so that's probably what happened. Just landing from one goat to another, and it's pretty common. But if it happens repeatedly, or if it goes untreated, it can be very, very bad. They could even lose their eye. So while you're treating them, put them in a shady area out of direct sunlight, because sunlight will affect the bacteria and will kill the eye, so to speak. They may lose an eye if you don't treat it properly. But yeah, overall everything went really well and can't really complain. So I thought I'd share that with you, and all the baby goats here are doing pretty good. Just enjoying the last bit of the sun, I guess you could say. I just wanted to say thank you for tuning in, thanks for subscribing, and thank you for your patience. It's been a bit of a wild ride this summer. I've been really busy, so I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.